Good morning to you all. Welcome to our National Symposium on Energy. And this symposium organized by Australian Society of Energy and Power in association with RMIT University and also Commonwealth Scientific and Industrial Research Organization, CSIRO. So our plan for today is first session will have 6 keynote presentation, and after that we'll have a lunch break. And thereafter, we will have our final year students and PhD students presentation. And with this note, we'll be completing our symposium on energy. So in our first half of the session, we have 6 distinguished keynote speakers. We have Professor Shinjun Hu, who is a Vice Dean from the School of College of Automotive Engineering, Jilin University. It is a very well-known university. And then we also have Professor Ying Ai Jin. She is also from the College of Automotive Engineering, Jilin University. And then we'll have our Dr. Nikolai Kinaev. He's a principal scientist and the leader of the research group. And he's from the Commonwealth Scientific and Industrial Research Organization. And then we have our Professor Kamrul Alam. He is also well known in the area of international business, international politics, and also in energy and power and energy economics. And he is from the School of Law, International Business and Law from the Central Queensland University. And then we have Dr. Naushad Haq. He's a principal scientist of the Commonwealth Scientific and Industrial Research Organization. And our final keynote presenter is Dr. Harun Chaudhary from RMIT University. So that is our plan. And I also want to share the good information that we are also, it is live broadcasted, will be broadcasted. And the people from outside of Australia, within Australia, and around Australia, everyone will be able to watch it. And it will be also available in our Australian Society of Energy and Power website as well. So this is our plan for today. So we are a little bit late. We are very sorry for that because of too many things we need to synchronize. And Dr. Harun Chaudhary tried his best. And I believe that he did very nicely. Everything is coming out so far good.